Hello, you are welcome back. We are about to plot the graph of the inequalities we have on the board. Okay, so let us now check. If you are using your graph book, it will be cleaner and to the point because you are going to use the scale. But I will try to use this to explain. So assuming that we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then here we have minus 1, minus 2. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're now going to be, as I said earlier, these are lines. So for the first one, when x equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to minus 1. So we are going to check where y is equal to minus 1, because that is where the line we cut y-axis. And that's the first point. And so y is equal to minus 1 here. You mark your x. Again, the same, going back to the same thing. What of when y is 0? That's along x-axis. X is less than or equal to 2. So that is here. You mark your x. Okay. The next, since it is less than or equal to, you have to use thick line to present that. I explained that in my the other videos. So you connect. So this is the first line. And then, again, you have to check. This one said y is greater than or equal to minus 1. Greater than or equal to minus 1. Is it at the upper part of the line or lower? Anything at the upper part is greater than or equal to this. But anything below is less. What am I trying to explain? Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Take note of that. So, since we are talking of y is greater than or equal to minus 1, it means that all the values at the upper part of this line is in the region. So this is called boundary line. So in order to not to make mistake, you can do something like this. Then x is less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2. That means if you are here, you are not supposed to go beyond this line, because anything beyond this line is more than 2, which means the region you are talking of should be from 2 back to your left. You can also do something like this. That is to show that you are not supposed to touch anything here. We have done the first one. The second one, again, when x is 0, y is less than or equal to 4. Y equal to 4 is this. So you mark your x. X is less than or equal to 2. Another one. So first of all, before you continue, you can write the equation on this. So this equation, we can write it as here, x minus 2y is equal to 2. That is on this line. Okay, so you have to join again. Now, since we have this, you go back. Y is less than or equal to 4. That means we want to know where we are to shade. That means if you are here, you are not supposed to go beyond this line, because anything beyond this line is more than 4. So all the values that are supposed to be included in the region is down here. Again, you do something like this. And x is also less than or equal to 2, which is also to your left. That is to show you that you are not supposed to touch anything here. Okay? Then finally, we have x is greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 0, you have to, that is here, from here to your right. And again, because this is greater than or equal to 0, that means x cannot take the value of 0. If you are to write the values of x, it should be x equal to 1, 2, and so on. So we are going to use dotted line to show, and that means it to your right. So you can do this to show that it is broken line. Now, which area are we shading? According to x greater than or equal to 0, you are supposed to start from here to your right. This one is telling you to come back. This one is telling you to go up. So the area required, or the required region, is this. And then, after doing that, that means you can clean up all the other ones. That's why when you are doing this, you have to use your pencil to avoid any mistake. So you clean up this. That means the required region is what you have now. And this region satisfies these inequalities. And that is how to plot a graph. Again, you have to write this 2x plus y is equal to 4 on this line. And again, here you have x is greater than 0 on this line. So this is the required region. And that's the end of this question. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, put it in the comment section, then I will look at it in the next video. Thank you.